Want to better match reports to your agency or client branding? Editing report backgrounds in AgencyAnalytics lets report pages be customized with images and colors, creating polished, professional, on-brand reports. Start by heading to the Reports tab, then open the report to customize by clicking the report name. On the left-hand side, hover over the Report section to edit. Click on the three-dot menu, then select Edit. The left sidebar updates to display design options for that report section. To add a background image, click Choose Image. This opens the image selector, where an existing image can be selected or a new image uploaded using the Upload button in the top right. Once selected, click Insert to apply the image to the report section. After adding an image, adjust how it fits on the page using the Image Fit dropdown. Choose from Contain, Cover, Fill, or None, depending on the desired layout. The background color for report sections can also be updated. From the same menu, open the background color picker and select the color, or enter a hex code for precise brand matching. To reuse the same background across multiple sections, click Apply Background to. Select the sections to update, then click Apply to keep the design consistent throughout the report. And that's it. Report backgrounds are now fully customized. Looking to create more polished on-brand reports for clients? Start your free trial with AgencyAnalytics today and start reporting smarter, not harder.